Hey, I'm going to do today's project. So start by making a rectangle. Just get it out there. It doesn't matter what size you draw it, but we're going to make it 4 wide and 1 tall. These are inches. And this is in an 8.5 by 11 document. Your page should look like this. If you do Control-0, it should look like that. Select the text tool and type your name in all caps. Please, all caps. Click off. Come over here, say convert to path. Hold down the shift key, click on one of these little drag bars and resize it. Bring it down close to your rectangle. Select both the rectangle and the text and come over here and say align center, just so everything's nice and straight. Then we want to turn off the fill and turn on the border and maybe zoom in a little bit. I'm doing Control and then using the mouse. Then if you select the rectangle and you can do the up arrow, I'm doing it 3 times to where I can see each letter shows a little bit inside the rectangle. Now I'm going to select both things, and if I choose, this is the create compound shape tool, we're going to click on union and look what happens. The letters have become part of the rectangle, which is great. Now we're going to make another rectangle. I want this one to be 1 inch by 1 inch. I'm going to put it right over here. And then we're going to make another rectangle. This one has to be 0.125 by 0.7. And this one's going to go, we want to try to go centered. Up and down wise, have it end kind of halfway and sticking out a little here. And then I'm going to duplicate it, Control D, but you can also just copy and paste to get a copy. And this one we're going to put right here in the middle. And then I want you to select your name and that rectangle, like the name rectangle combo along with this small one, and choose subtract. And over here select these two and choose subtract. And we're almost done. At this point, select all. We're going to turn off all fill. If there was fill, I want you to turn it off. And then for the border, I want you to make the border red. So click on border over here and say red. And then I want it to be 0.5 points. This makes it just thinner. All right, and then you save it. And then you get a share link over here under the share button. By the way, we figured out some people were not having a share button, and that turns out to happen when, if your window gets a little bit small, see how the share button disappeared for me? And so if you don't have a share button, just click on the maximize button on your browser to make the browser window as big as possible on your computer screen, and then hopefully you'll get the share button back. All right, you get the share, and then do the copy here, and then turn that link in on the Google Classroom. All right, that's it.